This is the Kershaw Bel Air with Magna Cut and Micarta. I feel like this is the best looking, and the feel of it is great. I like the clip point blade. Micarta is very textured, lightweight. Just demo cutting a couple zip ties, some paracord. But this hose is industrial. It's not just a garden hose. It's actually got some rigidity to it. The thin, slicey 2.3 millimeter blade cuts through stuff pretty easy. A little easier than other knives I've had. And the blade being Magna Cut, it's pretty damn tough. It's easy to sharpen back to a razor sharp edge, shave hair, cut paper, whatever. It does the job. This is an A+, in my opinion, from Kershaw.